Hey there, Sunseekers. Welcome to another video. Thank you for stopping by the channel. I'm so excited to take you on a resort tour of Secrets Royal Beach here in Punta Cana. Let's go. And from an elevated view here, got a look at the beautiful main pool here, located steps away from the beach. I'm on a little bit of a bridge. And you can see how this pool kind of meanders throughout the resort. This is a look at the beautiful main pool area here at Secrets Royal Beach. It's a beautiful day here in Punta Cana. Big, beautiful pool. Violinist playing some music for us. And this is all steps from that beautiful Bavaro Beach. And of course, where you've got a pool, you have the availability of sun loungers and umbrellas. It's a really nice, calm beach here at the resort. Really deep as well, and Long Beach. So if you like to do some beach walking, you can do that. It's also very deep beach as well. So it goes quite a ways back towards the resort. Lots of space for everyone to spread out. And this is another one of the main pools here. You can see bally beds, sun loungers surround it. A little bit more tranquil, a little bit more quiet here at this pool than the one down by the beach. And as I walk around the resort, this is Secrets Royal Beach. See some amazing rooms. Love these beautiful swim out suites with plunge pools, private plunge pools. Surrounded by the beautiful palm trees and the gardens. La Riviera is the international buffet here at Secrets Royal Beach. Let's take a look. They are just transitioning from breakfast to lunch. So not many of the food stations are set up. And as I pan around, you can see some of the seating areas. Again, I'm just getting everything set up again for lunch. Lots of seating, tables for 2, tables for 4, tables for more. You see all of the food stations. Some make your own burger section. You got some Asian cuisine here. Woks. Pasta area. Pizza oven. And over here you will find your salads. Lots of a la carte restaurants here at the resort. This is Himitsu. This is the Pan-Asian cuisine and Teppanyaki restaurant. You can see the Teppanyaki tables coming into view. Secrets resorts do not operate by a reservation system. It is first come, first serve. The only restaurant where you do require a reservation is this one, Himitsu. Only if you're going to be dining at one of the Teppanyaki tables. You do need to make a reservation for the Teppanyaki tables. Beautiful decor in this restaurant. Amazing ambiance for a fabulous a la carte dinner. The Bluewater grill has wonderful grilled specialties here in this a la carte restaurant. Again, I've noted no reservations required. Tables for 2, tables for 4, tables for more. You got big tables as well, which I really love. So if you're traveling down here with a large group, you can all dine together. You don't need to be split up. It's a beautiful restaurant here. This is Bluewater. Bordeaux offers exquisite French dining. It's a beautiful restaurant here. And this amazing wine cellar, room, wall. I'm not sure what you'd call it, but it is stunning. This is Bordeaux, the French restaurant. And last but certainly not least is El Patio. This is my favorite at the Secrets and Dreams resorts. This is the Mexican restaurant. Tacos, chimichangas, enchiladas. I can't get enough of it. This is El Patio. And I would like to note that there is the availability of indoor and outdoor seating. I won't go right outside, but you can see the doorway that leads to the patio area here at El Patio. As you arrive at Secrets Royal Beach, you'll walk into beautiful air-conditioned lobby and reception area. On your left, you'll find the check-in, check-out desks. Through the doors, you'll get to the main piazza, which connects to the resort. It's a beautiful air-conditioned lobby here at Secrets Royal Beach. If you're a preferred club guest, you can come in the doors to your right, and there is the preferred club lounge. That's where you will go for private check-in. If you are not in preferred club, there is another check-in area. And of course, every great lobby must have a great lobby bar. This is Rendezvous. Thank you. The lobby bar here at Secrets Royal Beach. At Secrets Royal Beach, there is a preferred club lounge right down by the beach and the main pool. Let's take a look. Step inside. There is a wonderful reception and concierge desk. Steps away from the pool. Lovely seating area and beautiful bar area. This is a look at the beautiful preferred club lounge down by the beach. In addition to the seating area and the bar, you also have the availability of light snacks. Just outside and steps from the main lobby, you have this beautiful outdoor piazza. This is near a lot of the a la carte restaurants. This is where they have a lot of their shows and live entertainment. You can see all the chairs facing towards the stage area. And this is an amazing space here at Secrets Royal Beach. This is the main piazza. Now standing in the center of the piazza, you can see the stage coming into view. And just down in the corner there, straight ahead of us, you have the casino. As I pan around, just past that gentleman, is the stairs that will take you up to the disco, the nightclub. This is Showtime. This is located right near the piazza. So this place was bumping last night. As people were enjoying the show, having a casual cocktail after a wonderful dinner. This is the Showtime bar. And it is steps from the piazza. And of course, every great resort needs a gym and a spa.